Welcome back. We're continuing the news. Gunmen this morning shot and injured 3 persons, including a goat farmer, on Marchben Road in Spanish Town, St. Catherine. The incident comes days after the goat farmer recovered over 30 of his stolen animals with the help of the police in Portmore. Now, we must warn you that the sound at the start of this report may be disturbing to some viewers. Here's O'Shane Masters.
Gunfire ringing out on Marchben Road in Spanish Town, St. Catherine this morning as gunmen shot and injured 3 persons, including a goat farmer. This latest incident comes days after the goat farmer recovered over 30 of his stolen animals. It's reported that sometime after 4 o'clock, heavily armed men invaded the goat farm and sprayed the house with bullets. Head of Operations for the St. Catherine North Police Division, Deputy Superintendent Linroy Edwards, told the TVJ News that members of a Lion Palm gang are involved in the incident. DSP Edwards said the police have identified the suspects and have launched a manhunt. But President of the Jamaica Agricultural Society, JAS, Lenworth Fulton, is taking the police to task over the lack of response to acts of predial larceny.
The police force have been fooling around with predial larceny for a long time, and they have not done much to curb predial larceny more than when they hear about an incident. They go there and make a comment, but it's not one of their priority area.
He believes that each police station should have an officer to deal with predial larceny reports. Currently, that does not obtain. Hence why he says there's a lack of action when reports are made.
Something I saw in the paper that it is a $10 billion trade and a police force is circling around like chicken without heads on the matter. So we need to put a task force together. In the police force, we as farmers can't manage them. There are some predial larceny units in some division, but they don't work. They don't have vehicle. And the policemen who would have been assigned to it are taken off by their supervisor to send to do all sorts of other important things too. So they just have the unit there for PR purposes.
He says this latest incident may serve as a deterrent to farmers reporting on predial larceny.
So which farmer is going to go and report a couple of goats now if he knows that gunmen are going to come back to shoot them up? They're not going to do it.
O'Shane Masters, TVJ News.